5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Allahabad High Court, also known as High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, is the High Court based in Allahabad, Prayagraj, that has jurisdiction over the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It was established on 17 March 1866, making it one of the oldest high courts to be established in India. Allahabad became the seat of government of northwestern provinces, and a high court was established in 1834 but was shifted to Agra within a year. In 1869 it shifted back to Allahabad. The former high court was located at the Accountant General's office at the University of Allahabad complex. It was founded as the High Court of Judicature for the northwestern provinces at Agra on 17 March 1866 by the Indian High Courts Act 1861, replacing the old Sadar Diwani Adalat. Sir Walter Morgan, barrister at law, and Mr. Simpson were appointed the first Chief Justice and the first Registrar, respectively, of the High Court of Northwestern Provinces. The location High Court for the Northwestern Provinces was shifted from Agra to Allahabad in 1869, and the name was correspondingly changed to the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad from 11 March 1919. On 2nd November 1925, the Audh Judicial Commissioners Court was replaced by the Audh Chief Court at Lucknow by the Audh Civil Courts Act of 1925, enacted by the United Provinces Legislature with the previous sanction of the Governor General. The passing of this act. On 25 February 1948, the Chief Court of Audh was amalgamated with the High Court of Allahabad. When the state of Uttaranchal, now known as Uttarakhand, was carved out of Uttar Pradesh in 2000, this High Court ceased to have jurisdiction over the districts falling in Uttaranchal. Allahabad High Court was built by Khan Sahib Nizamuddin of Loha Mandi, Agra, India. He also donated the water fountain to the High Court. The seat of the High Court is at Allahabad. Allahabad High Court maintains a permanent circuit bench at Lucknow, the administrative capital of the state. The maximum number of serving judges is 160, the highest in India. Justice Sri Sanjay Yadav is the current acting Chief Justice of the High Court. The court has a sanctioned strength of 160, permanent 76, additional 84 judges. Private journals that report Allahabad High Court. Judgments include Allahabad Criminal Cases, Allahabad Law Journal, Allahabad Daily Judgment, Allahabad Civil Journal, Allahabad Weekly Cases, Allahabad Rent Cases, Revenue Decisions, UP Local Bodies and Education Cases, Lucknow Civil Decisions, Judicial Interpretation on Crime. The office staff at High Court of Judicature at Allahabad is broadly divided into 4 cadres: General Office Cadre, BS Cadre, PS Cadre, Computer Cadre.